Hello everyone and welcome back to the Bonnie Biker YouTube channel. I'm Ray and today we're checking out the Harley-Davidson Sportster S.
The first thing you notice about the Sportster S is the looks. It looks like it's from the future with a mix of classic Harley. They've really nailed that street baller look with a fat tank, that minimalistic rear end, the high-sided exhaust and these massive chunky tyres.
Now I might not know a lot about Sportster history, but I know the name goes back to 1957, with this version coming out in 2021 to comply with Euro 5 emissions. It's been fitted with the Revolution Max engine, which produces 121 brake horsepower and 128 Nm of torque, and believe me, this thing absolutely flies. You've got various modes from rain, road, rider and sport, and when I put it in that sport mode and opened it up, this thing just went.
So what's the Sportster S like to ride on the roads? It was actually a really fun experience. On straight roads it felt like it could keep going forever, and it handled the twisty country roads really well and gave me a lot of confidence. The only thing I would like to mention is the suspension. It did feel quite firm at times. On this particular bike it's been fitted with the Dr. Jekill Mr. Hyde exhaust, which is a really unique system. You have a valve and a silencer which can be open and closed from a button on your handlebars. This changes the sound and the pitch of the exhaust tone.
So let's talk about comfort, shall we? And the seating position is actually very nice. The pegs are quite high though, and I have caught my shins a couple of times, but I suppose if you had one long term you'd get used to it. The seat is very, very comfortable, and I can imagine riding this for several hours and not having a problem. The handlebars are nice and high, so you get that nice ergonomic feel. It is a very, very comfortable bike to ride.
The Harley also comes with this bright colour TFT display which shows your gear, your speed, your revs. You can also select your rider modes, as mentioned earlier. You have rain, road, sport and a custom one. You can also connect your phone where you can control your music and navigation. In 2024 the Sportster S will set you back £15,145. That's for the Billiard Grey. If you like this Red Rock version you have to pay an extra £400.
So what are my final thoughts on the Harley-Davidson Sportster S? Well, it's the first Harley-Davidson that I managed to get into neutral, no problem at all, so it's a massive thumbs up from me. I've had so much fun on this one, and when I kicked it in sports mode, like I mentioned earlier, this thing just come alive. I'd love to have this longer, but with the weather I've been having at the minute, it's been hard to get out, but I've still really enjoyed my time with it. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching that video. If you have, please give it a like. If you're new around here, please subscribe. Any questions or comments on the Sportster S, please drop them below. But till next time, take care of yourself, ride safe, and I'll see you soon.